Hey guys, Perfect Cell here yet again with yet another tutorial. As you notice, I've installed that XP machine. Oops, sorry, and got it all up and running. This one's about installing Sandbox. So what we need to do is once you've downloaded it and installed it, just install it like normal. You may also be wondering why I'm not installing it on my host machine. It's because it's already installed, and I'm paranoid and don't like installing stuff twice. So, yep, that was already installed. All those instructions are pretty self-explanatory if you want to go back and read them. But I'm not actually going to read the tutorial because I already know how to use the software. Yep. So I know you see Sandbox still running, and here's a dodgy program I've got. I'm not actually sure if it's a virus or not, to be honest. But if we open it naturally, it's just a keygen for Call of Duty since I was getting it earlier on. I just wanted to run it in here just to make sure it was legit or not. But yep, it's just giving us serial keys, but we don't know what it's running in the background. Sure, we could open Task Manager and find out, or we could just go this, right click, run Sandbox, default Sandbox, unless we want to make a new one, which I can show you how to do. You'll see this little asterisk letting you know it's running in Sandboxy. Now to see what it's doing, we just need to right click on that, go default bot, show window, sorry, and as we see, there's the Sandboxy processes, which are in normal, and then this process, which means there's nothing like a rat running in the background, that it's changed anything. Wrong button. And we just go terminate program. Yep, and it will close. Now, we can kind of create a bit of inception here and tell Sandboxy to run inside of itself, but that's just plain stupid. Who would want to do that? Obviously not me. So, what we'd need to do is, if you know there's a rat, basically, if you think there's a rat or a program that you don't want running on your computer, just right click, run Sandbox, that simple, done. But I'll quickly show you how you can quickly create a new box. So we go show window, file, not file, where is it? There, Sandbox, create new Sandbox, yada 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 yada, or yes. Okay, and now default Sandbox could be whatever we want. Like we could just run standard run-of-the-mill programs. But if we're getting something off hack forums, we might want to test it specifically. So we create its own Sandbox to run it in. Now we just go right click, run Sandbox, and then we'll run it in yes. It will act the exact same, just under a different Sandbox name. One thing to be wary of, however, is if a program doesn't start when you're running it in Sandbox, but it does in a normal virtual machine, it could be a virus, because a lot of people do that with anti-Sandboxy. They just refuse to start in Sandboxy. Just make sure, keep an eye out for that. Anyway, short, simple, to the point. Thanks for watching, guys. I know that wasn't very in-depth per se, but I mean, there's not really much Sandboxy there, and you couldn't know how to use. But anyway, thanks for watching.